It's recording.
Okay, Makana, are you ready? You ready to open your package? Wait, let's scoot over so you don't fall. Okay, let's open it. Oh my goodness. Look at all the cool stuff. Look. Your blanket. Oh, look at your blanket. You remember that? Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a shopping basket cover. Oh my god. Look how cool. People around here are going to think you're the coolest baby ever with this thing on the shopping cart. Look at all your clothes. We'll look at those later. Look at your toys. Look. You get them out. Get them out and play with them. Oh, that's cute. Look. Get your toys. Cool. What's that? Is it a mouse? These are cute. Ooh. You got the mouse. What else is in there? Ooh, look, it's a teether set. Got the trucks. Look. Look, this trucks have wheels on them. Look. Look at the wheels. Look, you can put the mouse in the truck. Look. It's like, let me get that booger. Is there any more? Look at this. You can put it in the car. Look. So cool. So cool. Ooh, look at this. Wow. Totally drops the other thing. Wow. Look at that one. So cool. It's like Christmas. Yeah. Feels good on your teeth, huh? What else you got in there? Ooh, look at the book. You can play with this in the bathtub. Cool. It's cool, huh? You got some socks. Ooh, you got socks. It looks like they're gonna fit. Ooh, look at this one. Cool. Look at the phone. Oh my god, Daddy is gonna be so jealous. Look. Cool. That's a big phone. That's like from the 80s kind of phone. Cool. Oh. Look, it talks. Answer it. It's for you. It's Amma. She wants to see if you got all your toys. Oh, look at this phone. Don't let Daddy see it. He's going to want to take it from you. Ooh, look at that one. We got to hide it from Daddy so he doesn't see it. Cool. Is that like safe? He like cut himself with a glass or something? God, Mom. What are you, endangering our child? What else is in here? Ooh, look. Cool. Got some more socks. Cool. You finally can put some socks on your feet now. Look at the police car. The people here are going to think we're super cool. They've probably never seen anything like that before.
And play.
You're such a dork. Cool. He doesn't know what to play with first.
Four minutes left.
You gonna tell Amma thank you?
Makana. 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 Hi.
He's in toy heaven right now. Look, you can put the little people in there. Ooh, cool. Cool. Yeah.